I'm attorney William Berg. At the law firm of Berg Injury Lawyers, we help injured people get the money they deserve. The fact is, since 1981, Berg Injury Lawyers has recovered millions of dollars for thousands of injured clients. Money our clients deserve for their pain and suffering, and money our clients needed for their car repairs, medical bills, and lost wages. Our law firm is dedicated to fighting for injured people, making sure they get fair and reasonable compensation from insurance companies. Our specialty is personal injury law. We help people who have been injured in all types of accidents, including auto accidents, slip and fall cases, dog bites, and defective products. This tape will help you begin to understand your rights as an injury victim and our role as injury lawyers. We hope by watching you will get to know our law firm and begin to understand the process of obtaining the just and fair compensation for your injuries that you deserve. Let's get started by addressing a few of the most frequently asked questions. Why do I need a lawyer? The insurance company's own research, done by the Insurance Research Council, proves that injured people represented by a lawyer get, on average, 3.5 times more money than injured people not represented by a lawyer. Why do I need an injury lawyer? Many lawyers regularly focus their practice in specific areas. Some lawyers practice criminal defense. Some practice family law. Some lawyers only do business law. And some lawyers only protect insurance companies. And yes, some lawyers do a little of everything. But a specialist is always best. What happens when your family doctor finds a heart problem? He sends you to a heart specialist. When it comes to getting you fair and reasonable compensation for your injuries, you need a lawyer who specializes in injury cases. These lawyers are best equipped to get you the compensation you deserve for your injuries. Can I trust the insurance company? No. Despite the insurance company's massive media campaigns to declare themselves good neighbors and on your side, insurance companies make millions of dollars every year by denying injured people reasonable compensation for their injuries. They deny this compensation by using red tape, legal loopholes, and whatever means necessary to avoid the responsibility of paying injured people for their injuries. I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. I had a client a few years ago who suffered a broken arm in a motorcycle accident, and he came to ask my advice. The insurance company only offered him $3,500 for his case. We got $55,000 for that client. The insurance company tried to give him far less than he deserved. Can you trust the insurance company? No. That's why I devoted my practice to handling injury cases, because people like that client I mentioned who would have nowhere else to turn. I can't guarantee you specific results, but I can guarantee you that we will do everything legally and humanly possible to get you the maximum amount of money for your injuries. Should I talk to the insurance adjuster? No. Despite what they may tell you, the insurance adjuster is not on your side. It's the adjuster's job to save the insurance company money by finding a way to deny or reduce your claim. Many times, adjusters will use a friendly tone to get you to admit guilt or responsibility for an accident. The adjuster will then use this admission or comment to reduce or withhold your settlement completely. Other tactics used by the adjuster include a quick payment or promise of a payment if you will give up all future claims against their company. While a small amount of money may seem good, it's not in your best interest to give up your rights to collect your damages until you have completed your medical treatment and all damages from the accident can be identified. Remember, once you have admitted guilt or made a comment that in any way relieves the insurance company of their responsibility, the damage can rarely be undone. Don't make the mistake countless others have made, whether it's Berg Injury Lawyers or another law firm. Seek the advice of a good injury lawyer before talking to the adjuster. How much money is my case worth? Every case is different. How much your case is worth depends on the facts of your case. We examine all the facts surrounding your case in order to arrive at a figure that we believe the insurance company must pay for your injuries. These facts include how the accident happened, what injuries you suffered, future medical problems, the amount of medical expenses and lost income, as well as future medical costs and future loss of income. We study every detail so that we can get you all of the money you deserve for your injuries. How long will it take to get a fair and reasonable settlement offer? Keep in mind that most settlements can't begin to be negotiated until you have finished your medical treatment. Otherwise, we will not be able to get everything that you deserve. This is because we will not know the full extent of your damages until you finish your treatment. Once treatment is completed, negotiations of your case can begin. Insurance companies and their defense lawyers often will do everything they can to reduce and delay your settlement. How long it takes is different for each case. Your patience and allowing us to negotiate and, if necessary, prepare for trial can be very helpful in obtaining a good settlement. We want to do everything we can to avoid the impression that the case needs to be settled quickly. If the insurance company feels that we need to settle quickly, then the amount of your settlement could be reduced. What about my car? What about a rental? The claim for damages to your car can typically be handled separately from your injury case. You may also be entitled to a free rental car. At Berg Injury Lawyers, we don't charge our clients to help them with their claim for property or car damage. The important thing is that you reestablish a form of transportation as soon as possible without jeopardizing the value of your injury case. As a general rule, don't sign anything from the insurance company without the advice of a lawyer. Will I have to go to court? While most cases never go to court, some cases do. In either situation, hiring a law firm with experience in handling personal injury cases is critical. We prepare all of our cases as if they are going to court, and we use this as a negotiating tactic. Insurance adjusters know that our lawyers are always ready to take your case to court. This preparation allows us to negotiate from a position of strength, helping you get the maximum settlement for your injuries. How much do we charge? At Berg Injury Lawyers, there is no charge for your first visit or telephone call. All of your questions will be answered, and there is no obligation. We will advance all costs for investigators, experts, court filing fees, and other expenses associated with obtaining the maximum recovery possible. We do not charge any fee for helping you settle your claim for damage to your vehicle. Let me explain how we will handle your case. Our staff is made up of lawyers, paralegals, investigators, and support staff whose goal is to make sure you receive timely, fair, and reasonable compensation from the insurance company. We will see you through your medical treatment and prepare your case to present to the insurance company. Our trained staff will do everything possible to get you the most money for your injuries, and we will always be available to answer your questions. Once you have completed your medical treatment, your case will move into the negotiation phase. This is where our lawyers will use their experience and strength to influence the insurance company and get you the maximum settlement possible. Next, you will have to decide if you want to accept the insurance company's settlement offer or go to court. If the insurance company doesn't make a reasonable offer, then we will prepare the case for court and go after your recovery through a judge or jury's decision if necessary. We have been through this process with many clients, and we're very, very good at getting our clients the money they need, the money they deserve. We have successfully handled serious cases involving amputation, paralysis, and death. We've even taken a case to the California Supreme Court and won. Thank you for watching this tape, and thank you for considering Berg Injury Lawyers to represent you. We would consider it an honor and a privilege to handle your injury case. Call us and let us help you get the money you deserve for your injuries.